Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to run a Depop sale. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in depop.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Depop if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you would of course like. Also, we have the top right corner where you have the sell now. We have, of course, the messages, likes. We have your profile and all of the things about your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and run a Depop sale. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So go to your profile page. In the top right corner, as you can see, click on your profile here. Then when you do that, tap on promotions and then select discounts. When you're there, choose the percentage of discount you want to offer, ranging from 5% to 50%. Pick the items you want to include in the sale. You can select up to 400 items that have been listed at least 10 days. So in your listings here. Tap save to start your promotion. Your discounted items will now be visible to potential buyers. You can also set up bundle shipping options, such as offering free shipping, the highest shipping price, or no shipping discount. To end the promotion, simply go back to promotions section and tap end promotion. You can create a new promotion anytime if needed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.